चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल, बोलो जुबान केसरी।
NTA is a very professional organization, and whatever we do it transparently, and everything we put to the public domain, and we share all the information to the candidates. So there should not be any apprehension that the integrity of exam has been compromised. Everything has been done transparently with the full integrity of the exams. So there should not be apprehension between anyone, and whatever the issues have come regarding the grace marks for loss of time to the candidates, this issue will be looked after by a high-powered committee within a week, and whatever recommendations will be there, and that related to those candidates who have lost the time, which are from 6 centers and about 1600 candidates. So we will take appropriate action and do it quickly, so that overall process is not delayed.
So with respect to the grace marks, you said it is based on the basis of answering efficiency. Now answering efficiency is too subjective. So there is no uniformity in giving grace marks?
Any formula you adopt, that may have some merit or demerit. So, but it has been adopted by earlier case. So our committee also recommended the same, but we have formed another committee that will look into this and give its recommendations. So we will take according.
One last question, sir. Who is leading this committee?
The committee will be chaired by a former UPSC chairperson.
Please name that.
So बता दिया उनका जो, so basically they will be like from the experts from the examination, जो who have the experience, and from the field of academia. So this is a committee which is competent to like of these type of acts.
कल ही हमने प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में ये बात कही थी कि इस पर जो है लिपापोती की कोशिश की जा रही है। जो नेशनल टेस्टिंग एजेंसी है NTA, वो कोई ठोस जवाब नहीं दे रही है। विद्यार्थियों ने पूरे देश भर से मैसेज किया कि प्रश्न पत्र भी लीक हुए हैं और एग्ज़ाम सेंटरों पे धांधली हुई है, और जो फाइनली परिणाम आया है उसको देख करके लगता है कि बहुत सारी गड़बड़ियाँ हैं, डिस्क्रिपेंसीज़ हैं। यही वजह है कि हमारी पार्टी ने, हमारे राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे जी ने सुप्रीम कोर्ट से जो है एक निष्पक्ष जांच की बात करी थी, और हम कह रहे हैं कि जांच हो और गड़बड़ी है और विद्यार्थियों की मांग है तो दोबारा भी एग्ज़ाम कंडक्ट कराना चाहिए।